Hi there. This will only be 2 minutes. Sorry about that in the last video. I've only got 10 minutes on the app that I'm using to record my screen. So we got onto the limitations for basically all of these methods. So if it's completed after the performance, if any of these, like the checklist, the general observation schedule, any of them are completed after the performance, it could be difficult to remember accurately. So, for example, if we are in school and we're out on the grass and we're doing football and we're gathering data, if we go inside, get changed, come back, that's 15, 20 minutes that we've maybe lost, and we could forget and not remember accurately how the performance actually went. So that could lead to inaccurate results. As well as that, it needs to be answered honestly for the data to be meaningful for the performer. So we could be biased or untrue to ourselves when we are doing one of the data gathering methods. And this is just going to lead to a whole host of bad things. It's going to mean that the intensity is not right for developing our performance. It's going to mean that we make the wrong training program. It's just going to mean it's going to be a downward spiral, and it's just the whole program and the whole cycle of analysis isn't going to work properly. And that's only the first stage that we've got to by collecting the data, and it can all go wrong. As well as that, it's subjective, so some people might think differently to the answers or the questions. Like the power sheet, the preparation, it could say stand side on, but it's subjective. So what is really side on? Are we square on? Are we side on? People have different opinions. As well as this, if someone else is filling out the sheet, like if your best friend, if you've decided that he's going to do it with you, he might not want to hurt your feelings or feel like he's hurting your feelings. So he might be biased as well and untrue, which again is going to give you inaccurate results. The training program's not going to be right, and so on and so forth. As well as this, because it's just a sheet, it can be easily misplaced. Like us in school, we could finish sixth period on a Friday, and you could want to run home, so you could crumple up this sheet, put it at the bottom of your bag. It might blow out in the wind. It can get wet, get damaged. There's so many things that can go wrong with just having a little sheet, so you could put that down as a limitation. We'll go that as gathering data on physical skills.